sent to the jail. He is behind the bars. He is in solitary confinement. He and his wife, former First Lady of Pakistan, Bushra Bibi, is in solitary confinement. They are not allowed to meet their legal counsel. They are not allowed to meet their personal physician. They are not allowed to go to the hospital for their checkup. As our former Prime Minister, Mr. Imran Khan has lost his eye, unfortunately, due to the negligence of the administration of Ajala jail, because of the illegal government who rigged the election of Punjab, who rigged the election of Sindh, who rigged the election of Balochistan, who rigged the election of Pakistan, and they are illegally occupied on the federal and provincial governments. Due to their negligence, today Imran Khan Sahab lost his eye about 85%.